Mr. Speaker, I stand guided. Allow me.
And one more thing, Senator Orwoba.
Yes.
You did mention that you're still fairly new in understanding the standing orders. When a select committee is sent out, it is not necessary that it has to be recorded on Hansard or there have to be a secretariat. What is important is what is captured in the report. And that is why you're making your submissions now on the report.
Mr.
So
Speaker, I stand guided. And Mr. Speaker, for the record, kindly protect me. For the record, Mr. Speaker, let it be noted that all the standing orders that I mentioned, 197 to 228, guide us on matters business that is being connected under select committees. Mr. Speaker, I'm finding it very, very difficult each and every day when we come to give contributions, particularly as young women senators, that we keep on getting all this it's like, I've heard Senator Mungatana, Mr. Speaker, stand up and say, guide the young senator. Mr. Speaker, some of this terminology and allusions of discriminating senators based on their gender, based on their age, Mr. Speaker, this culture must stop. Mr. Speaker, as I continue to give my submissions, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Orwoba.
I would like...
Senator Orwoba, just a moment. Senator Orwoba, just to understand, do you have an issue with being called young by Senator Mungatana?
Mr. Speaker,
being referred as a young person?
Mr. Speaker, it is the context with which the senators use it. It is demeaning. It is downgrading, Mr. Speaker, and we are tired.
Senator
Mr. Speaker,
Mungatana,
allow me to continue with my submissions.
Senator Mungatana, what is your point of order?
Speaker, the Honorable Senator Orwoba, let me just say, the very, very Honorable Senator Orwoba actually said in her own submissions that we young senators who are novice, we are learning. Am I not in order, Mr. Speaker, to just say you are the young senator, having had her say what she had referred herself to? Mr. Speaker, I think, Mr. Speaker, with due respect, I am pleading with the House, Mr. Speaker, if you have content, to let us hear the content. We actually sat here